Alpha nigga, what?
Say word, say love like music.
What up, nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, huh? Action came through, cocked back to bang you. For this green nigga, these talent rounds will spray you. Came back to the peak, nigga ain't the same dude. Niggas tell you anything just so they can hang fool. But I ain't with that sucker shit, this guala I'm just trying to get. See how real niggas act when that chopper spit. Can't leave no witnesses, we slid and hit all kinds of shit. This the type of gangster shit you niggas up against. You niggas hanging on the fence, you better jump over. Cause me and my nigga dying in drive-bys and Range Rovers, nigga. In the sofa, nigga, that I told you, nigga. Coupled over, nigga, and I gotta get it. What up, nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, huh? Came back at you niggas, the chopper blapped at you niggas. Messy murder scene, my niggas pull up looking mean. Drama always causes ruckus, nigga, I just be like, fuck it. Let's get this chicken while these other niggas ballin' budget. The fucking beast racing while you suckers can't phase me. We just different, nigga. Sit back and listen, nigga. I pour a four, I smoke my dope, me out my business, nigga. Cause you's a witness, nigga. Can't be no witness, nigga. I ain't seen shit, that's why I can't say shit. I locked onto my target and then I sprayed it. I left a nigga down, yeah, nigga erased him. Left no traces for these cases. A nigga ain't got no time for this fake shit. I double pumped on a bitch and left her faceless. She didn't say shit, gave her the facelift. So pump your brakes, bitch, nigga. What up, nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? You niggas playing with the wrong niggas, what up? Nigga, what up?
What up?
What up?
What up?
Playing with the wrong
Dogga, nigga. Nigga, what up? Bitch, shut up. Brand new 40 twin Glocks, I'm finna cut up. Nuki out the box, bougie hoes, they say I'm stuck up. Pop the new seal off the slime, I'm finna pop. Niggas saying that they slime, but nah, they never show up. I throw up on a beat, go retarded and pull out Blammy on. Feeling like Jack on the block, niggas can't stand me on. I'm cramming on, hoping they free the squad for the gangland. You suckers telling on my team, now you can't hang, man. You switch sides, let me for dead, we not the same man. I rain shots, let her feel my pain before my thing jam. Free G, Nick and Ozzy, they still in the can. If it was you probably leave a nigga in the jam. Thank God, inshallah, made me a better man. Nigga.